Good morning students, welcome back. Today in our practical we'll do test for cations and anions. We'll do test for 3 different anions and 1 cation. Okay? So the cation will be ammonium ion and the anions will be chloride, sulfate and carbonate. Okay, in the first test we'll do the test for chloride. Okay, so this is the given sample. The sample containing chloride ion, one ion as chloride. Okay, so we'll deduce chloride ion from the salt, and the requirements are, you can see, sodium carbonate, another concentrated sulfuric acid, ammonium hydroxide, dilute nitric acid, and this silver nitrate. Okay. Directly we do not proceed to the test. Okay, first we have to prepare carbonate extract, or you can call it sodium carbonate extract. So for this we need to take a sample. Okay, one spatula, and in that we need to add 3 spatula of sodium carbonate. So ratio is 1:3. Okay. Okay, after this you need to add water. Try to mix it properly, and after mixing you need to boil the content. Okay, make sure that this content should boil properly. Okay. Okay, this is the process. Okay, don't put test tube inside the flame like this. You have to keep your test tube slightly away from the middle of the flame. Okay, at the edges of the flame. For the test of the chloride, we need to do 2 tests. Okay, so for 1 test, we'll divide the content into 2 parts. Okay, now in the first part you need to add concentrated sulfuric acid, and you have to be quick with this. Okay, you have to check the fumes. If you add concentrated sulfuric acid, then you can see the fumes coming out from the solution. Yes or no? So this white colored fumes confirm the presence of chloride in the given sample. Outside got near to the mouth, then you can see the white fumes coming out from the solution. Okay, as you can see, white fumes. So this confirms the presence of chloride. So in the next test, okay, that sodium carbonate extract, in that sodium carbonate extract we add dilute nitric acid. Okay, and we add silver nitrate. Okay, as you can see, the curdy white PPT. Can you see the curdy white PPT? So this confirms the presence of chloride in the given sample. Okay, so we have finished the test for chloride. This is confirmatory test for chloride.